Have you ever found yourself stuck in a never-ending cycle of repetitive tasks, constantly feeling like there just aren't enough hours in the day to get everything done? In today's fast-paced world, where knowledge workers and students are constantly juggling multiple projects and responsibilities, the pressure to be productive is higher than ever. One of the biggest challenges we face is managing our time effectively. And while tools like to-do lists and calendars can be helpful, they often leave us feeling overwhelmed and disorganized. That's where workflow automation comes in. The process of using technology to automate repetitive tasks and free up more time for high-priority activities. In this video, we'll explore 3 simple workflow automation tools that can help you save up to 2 hours every day. From email management to data entry, these tools are designed to streamline your workflow and increase your productivity. First up, let's talk about Zapier. With over 5 million users worldwide, Zapier is one of the most popular